Hi guys, welcome. I was recording everything and something went wrong, so there we go. Human error. So the recording was stopped halfway, and I'm just continuing the job done here. All right, this is ArcoLinux XL. We are on something strange because the bar up there is big, right? The gray line up there makes it say, I'm not on VirtualBox. But let's get to that later. This is our grub theme, beautiful Vmix spin-off, you could call it, or variant, right? The way we like it to be for years already. I can't seem to find a better wallpaper for it than that. I'm not getting tired of it. So we got everything popping up like install software, launch art, and all that. You just check it out what all these buttons are. And we have a system that's working. But the question is, of course, where is it working? So this is the ISO that will be released in beginning of April. So 1st of April, probably somewhere around that time. And I've built the ISO on March the 5th. So that was 3 days ago. But of course, I'll rebuild the ISO like, I don't know, 1 week or 2 weeks before we have to do it. And I've given my name here. My machine is called choose whatever name. So that's my name. Voila. Where are we? We are on a system shutdown with swap file. That's why we saw these extra buttons there. And we are not on, right? Do an escape, no, F12, F11, F12. Need to have a menu up there. Can I get me a menu? Alt, super, no, yeah. That gave already a hint, right? We are on Windows 10. That's clear. Let's go to the virtual machine settings. On 32, I was thinking 36, 32 gigabyte, I've given around 10 for the machine. Processors, one processor, 16 cores, I gave 8. I did not put this on, so I could put this on now and see, test it. Hard disk is around 30. And the CD is there, so the CD can go actually. So can we remove it? Probably. Or do it like this. Network, USB, sound, all good. Printer, nothing there. Did not activate this one. In options, I told him to go to advanced, to not BIOS, but UEFI. And that's all I did change here. These are all default. Yeah, did not change anything here. This, enter full screen mode after powering on, I changed that. So now we can power on. If we want to see what's this little thing doing there, I could not connect the virtual device because no. Yeah, no. I don't want to have this CD-ROM. That's the thing, right? So now with extra button, the virtual, what is it called? Is this faster or not? That's just the idea. I'm gonna do super, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, right? So if things are installed, it'll just launch it just to see how fast everything is. All these buttons, right? Again, super F1, F5 is gonna work, F6 is gonna work, 7, 8 is gonna work, 9, 10 is not gonna work. So depending on your installation, things will get launched. And this is the XL, but, right, there is a big but. What we do, well, what I do is better, is that I want to have GIMP. I want to have Inkscape. I want to have so many more tools. So we've moved them to inside Calamaris to the last selection there, the ArcoLinux Dev selection. And if I select that, I'll get all my software, also Vivaldi and also Google Chromium and stuff like that, right? So it's all about choices as usual, because Praga is something I don't use. So basically we could just get rid of it. But then again, you wouldn't have a player, but I suppose you have other players. I mean, there's like 20-ish audio players out there. So you choose. Is this faster than the other setting? Oops, I did a wrong thing there. Shut down. Not really sure. You can only test it on your machines if it's any better. What was the thing that we wanted to have a look at? Oh, come on. Let's see if this works as well. Control R, reset. Nope. Control Alt, I have my mouse back. And here we have the menu, right? In here we have probably View, Control Alt Enter. Control Alt Enter. Got it back. And we're just gonna close this, Control Alt, and say, whatever, shut up, power off, right? Don't give me the message again, power off. Or bugger off, one of those. So the setting we've done was this one, virtualize Intel VT, ext apt and v or vi. Google it, right? And see what it actually is. But if you went into your BIOS or UEFI settings, maybe you've seen it there. Voila. Where am I on? I am currently working on Windows 10, 7.0, VM Workstation 7 Pro. Evaluation is not applicable, so not a license in there yet. Et voila. Just a test, guys, right? If you want to test on a Windows system, install yourself a VMware workstation and then run the settings well. Check out all the settings, the possible settings. Set them the way they should be set, and off you go. Explore the world of Linux, the world of Linux, and the world of Linux both. All right. Cheers.